Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Iftikhar, and in this video I'm gonna create a login system using PHP and mysql. So I have already created a login page front end using Bootstrap, which is very easy and simple, and I have also already created a database named by login system and a table named by login table, and I have two records in it, as you can see. So now I am gonna connect my front view and my database. So I have file db.php, and here I'm gonna code for my database connection. PHP and $db is equal to mysql underscore connect. First one is localhost, second one is root, which is username for my database. The password is empty and the database name is login system. So if we have any kind of error in our database, then error error in db, and this function mysql I underscore error is actually gonna print the error. So our db file is good. Now sorry, not import include. So now whenever I need my database connection, so by calling this function, having db.php is gonna get the connection for us. Okay, and I have form and I have two fields in it. First one is email and second one is password. So now let's code for login system. PHP tag and is set here underscore post, and our button name is login. So whenever a user clicks on login button, then first it will use from the fields. First one is email and our field name is email. Second one is password and our password field name is password. So once we get the values, then check for it in database that whether this user exists in our database or not. Okay, so select all from our database. Our table name is, I think, login table. Here email is equal to $email and password is equal to $password. Now run the query. If dollar implies num underscore greater than 0 or double equal to 1. Okay, so this is my query. Select all from login table where email is equal to email and password is equal to password. So I stored this query in a variable called run. So now here I'm checking if we have this user in our database. Like run imply num underscore res greater than 0. It means that if we have record in our database with these credentials, you see. So if we have a user, it means that the email and password is valid. if we don't have any record with this email and password, it means that the email or password is invalid. Okay, so if we have any record, then please redirect us to location main.php, and in main.php I have welcome. Okay, so now let's check this login, and test@gmail.com and test123, let me in. Okay, it's working. Cool. Now what if a user entered some invalid information like invalid password? You see, so nothing happens. So I should see some message that my email or password is invalid. So here I have bootstrap alert box. By default it's hidden, so I can't see it. So I need to make this visible whenever I enter some invalid inputs like email or password. So here I'm gonna use some JavaScript script. Okay, and if you guys don't have jQuery knowledge, then I will make some videos on jQuery later on. But for now, this function is actually gonna make this alert box visible to us. Let's see if it's working or not. home@gmail.com and some invalid password. You see, email or password is invalid, it means it's working fine. ali@outlook.com and ali123, this user I have in my database. Let me in. Yeah, it's working fine. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.